A Straight Talk Service Plan PIN is essential for activating or managing your prepaid wireless service. It's a unique code found either on your SIM card packaging or in your purchase confirmation email. If you have a physical SIM card kit, inspect the packaging thoroughly, looking for a white sticker or insert inside the box. The PIN is typically a 10 to 20 digit alphanumeric code. If you purchased your plan online, search your email inbox for Straight Talk or your order number. The PIN should be included in the purchase confirmation email. This PIN is distinct from the SIM card's ICCID number. Always keep your PIN secure and avoid sharing it. Straight Talk offers alternative methods for PIN retrieval if you can't find it on the card or in your email. Use the Straight Talk app or website to link your SIM and potentially retrieve the PIN. The app now includes a PIN Lookup feature where you can scan your SIM card's QR code. As a last resort, contact Straight Talk customer support. Be prepared to provide identifying information. Digital lookups require two-factor authentication for security. Be aware of phishing scams that may attempt to steal your PIN. Always verify any email claiming to be from Straight Talk through official channels. Remember, PINs are not reusable and are tied to a specific SIM.